The artist parts. What is each consist of? It just seems to sit and draw yourself, and that's. In fact, everything is a little different in order to become a sellable, successful artist. You will have to learn a lot, and I'm not talking about university education. Although this is always the case, but still, in order to become recognized and sold, you will have to accept for yourself that the path is not always easy, that you need to work something more than another or job. That you need to make up early every day to have time to do everything. The day of a successful artist consists of developing skills, learning new things, finding yourself, and of course keeping your social networks, online galleries, stories, and so on in good shape. If you still wish that it's already, then welcome to the ranks of creative people. My subjective opinion is that education in creative profession is not always beneficial. Sometimes it only discourages the desire, but this does not mean that you do not need to learn. It is necessary and even mandatory to learn, but independently and with the help of more competent specialists. I realized for myself that I don't want to work anywhere else, and that I can't imagine my life without a brush. My soul is full of color. If you have the same, then patch plus. Today we will talk about the well-known Etsy store. For a novice artist, this is a storehouse, but you will not have to count on large e-commerce there, because this is a fair of handmade goods. The main specific of the stores, it is necessary to work and upload your work every day, not a day without paint. Here you can upgrade your skills, speed, and quality, and complete with Expired Special, where prices range mainly from $10 and $500. My work in oil or large format, of course, I don't not pour out at this price, but will in at the usual price. But it is cool for keeping active and not losing your skin. You should not expect to sell quickly, because the analytic depends on the activity. Rarely does anyone sell a job in the first month. And to reside there, it is better to use the link to get for 40 free listing. You will find the link in the description.